Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the YOCOWOCO wireless audio receiver transmitter. It's a Bluetooth receiver and transmitter. What does that mean? What is that good for? Well, you can connect it to headphones, you can connect it to a speaker, you can use it if you're flying, you can plug it in to wirelessly transmit the audio from the infotainment system on an airplane to your Bluetooth headphones. You could use it in a car that isn't equipped with Bluetooth to transmit your phone's sound to your car. Lots of different things you can do. So you can see here it supports connecting two headphones at one time, which is kind of cool. It does support low latency sound, which means there's no out of sync issues if you're watching movies and stuff. 20 plus hours of battery life with USB-C charging. A built-in OLED display, which is awesome because you can clearly see what you're connected to and what codec it's using. 16 levels of adjustable volume. That's significant. Not all of these types of devices have built-in volume levels, but this one does, which is great. And it has a built-in MEMS microphone, which means you can use this in your car for talking on the phone if your car doesn't have Bluetooth built into it. Just looking on the back, you can sort of see some examples. You can headphone out. So this is like if you want to transmit from this to a set of headphones, either if you're on a plane or if you're at the gym, you could plug this into the little auxiliary jack on gym equipment or on your TV at home to transmit wirelessly to your headphones. Going the other direction, you can connect this to like a car or a speaker, and then you could send audio from your phone or a tablet or any other Bluetooth device to this device and have it come out of the speakers of your car or your speaker. So that's really what it does and what it's used for. Let's unbox it so you can see what comes in the box. Of course, you do have your manual that's going to explain how everything works. So they've got you covered there. And then look at this. Nice. I mean, you can see right from the beginning, I love just the way this is displayed and all the different things that are in here. This is the device itself. And you can see, we're going to take a closer look at it, but that's not all you get. You also get this clip-on case, so the device will fit into that, and then you can clip it onto something, which is awesome that they include that. I love that it's detachable, so you don't have to have that on there if you don't need it, but if you need it, you've got it. They include an adapter that you can use because some planes still have that old school style adapter, and so this will allow you to connect to the, if you're on a plane like that. They include the little wire, the standard adapter. So most planes and modern planes will have just your standard auxiliary jack, and you plug this into this and then plug this into that plane and you're good to go. Or however you want to use this, you've got this nice little connector wire. I love that it's nice and short and flexible. And then you've got your USB to USB-C charging cable in order to charge it up. So that's those are all the accessories that come in the box. We're going to take a closer look really quick at the device itself. So you can just kind of see, you've got this is the front, this is going to be the display. Over here you've got your buttons, you've got your power button, and then you've got your volume down, volume up button. I'm going to guess these are probably multi-function buttons, but clearly that does work for power, volume up, volume down. And then over here you've got your button. This switches it from either transmitting or receiving there. That I'm going to assume is probably the microphone. That's probably the microphone, which is great. If you have a car that isn't equipped with Bluetooth, you can plug this in and connect your phone to it, and then you would basically be able to use your phone for wireless conversations or to play music, talk, and it'll use the mic on this in order for talking, which is cool. On this end, you've got that USB-C for charging, and on the other side, you've got your auxiliary jack. So very sleek looking device. Yeah, just love the way it looks, and yeah, you're getting that. You're getting all the accessories you need in your instruction manual, and that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. Please stay tuned for a full demo review video, which will be coming up shortly. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel for this playlist so you can keep up with that review as well as other product reviews and unboxing videos that I will be doing coming up. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.